Welcome to the tutorial on how to pay with the Walmart app. This guide will walk you through the process of using the Walmart app to make payments in store. First, you need to download and install the Walmart app on your mobile device. Once you have the app, create an account or sign in if you already have one. Next, navigate to the Services section of the app and select the Walmart Pay option. This will prompt you to add a payment method to your account. You can add a credit or debit card, or use other payment methods such as PayPal. After adding your payment method, you will need to create a 4-digit PIN or use Touch ID to secure your account. This is an important step to ensure that your account remains secure. To make a payment in store, open the Walmart app and navigate to the Walmart Pay section. Select the payment method you want to use and enter your PIN or use Touch ID to authenticate the transaction. At the checkout, let the cashier know that you want to use the Walmart app to pay. Open the app and select the payment method you want to use. The cashier will then scan a QR code on your device to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that you can also use the Walmart app to earn rewards and save money on your purchases. The app allows you to clip digital coupons and earn cash back on certain items. In conclusion, using the Walmart app to make payments in store is a convenient and secure way to shop. By following these steps, you can easily pay with the Walmart app and start earning rewards and saving money on your purchases.